Here's the control panel, the ammeter. This tractor is powered by 48 volt DC power. It has 8 6-volt golf cart batteries. It has a 2500 watt power inverter on the back, taking it from 48 volts DC to 120 volts AC, allowing 2 outlets for powering any conventional 110 volt drill or whatever. There's a 48 volt to 12 volt converter to keep the 12 volt battery charged. Here's a look at the top. Golf cart batteries are universal. An Anderson connector for quick disconnect, and the onboard charger. And the blue is the speed control, and you'll see the motor there uncovered so you can see it. It's a DC motor. I've also put an ePTO system on the back where auxiliary PTOs can get plugged in via electric instead of a mechanical PTO shaft. Here we're doing a cultivation test in the field. It's actually more powerful than the gas engine version was. The original tractor was only 10 horsepower gas. This is being tested at 12 horsepower. And it actually has 100% of the torque at any RPM, which is one advantage that electric tractors have over gas. They're really torquey, really powerful. We actually had to put front weights there on the front so it wouldn't do wheelies. Learn more at VersaLand.com.